Duh. Alright, boys, so I think we're live on YouTube right now. Let's see. What is this? Wait, guys. I did stream a few seconds ago. Live right now. What is this? No financial advice. Alright, so yeah, I was just making sure this thing works. Now we can start trading, boys. So the thing is, I'm a bit late. Let's give myself a like. I'm a bit late to the trading session because I also took some trades earlier. Fucking horrible, right? I don't want this shit in here. Literally worst trade of all time. Three of them. Fucking, I'ma blew my, I'ma blew my funded. So it's okay though, cause it's not yet destroyed. So guys, yeah, this is a trade I took. It's on paper, by the way. So don't feel excited. If I make some money, it's fake money. So literally no excitement at all. All right, so why I took this trade? Well, boys, I don't know if somebody's watching actually. One, and that's me. If anyone will watch this after, boys, you need to know why I took this trade. So let's talk about it. Um, Simply because when market open, this bitch popped up super crazy. All right, I actually lost this trade, but I was basically the liquidity. Like you guys have to know the. I couldn't say I got mad because I literally took the trade on my strategy. I respected my rules. Maybe I should have waited more. Maybe that was the thing. Maybe I'd get an entry at least. So this was the thing. This was kind of the trade that I took. You know, um, till I write here stake for stake profits. Then, bro, dude, whatever. All right, dude. Nah, this app is bugging. Okay, so this was the take first take profit basically at this low. Then I'll just have this last one at these lows right here. So this was the trade. I saw it was moving very nice. As you can see, the market directly just moved a few good dollars down. And then I moved my stop loss, but I didn't move it from here to break even. This was a big mistake because I moved it here and I increased the risk. So with that being said, I lost basically the same amount, but I got stopped out here. So this was the previous trade. I don't even want to take like to take profits at this trade simply because it's a 103 ratio. No need for to take profits at this small ratio. All right, it's just not worth it. Hopefully it will just go through it. That would be nice. If it doesn't, I'm okay with it. Because it's paper. So this was basically the trade that I took. Initially the stop loss was here. Got stopped out here. Anyways, I would have been stopped out anyways because this, bro. If you see this, I wanted to enter again. I entered literally, but my stop loss was very fucking small, and I got stopped out. And then it just went down like I expected. So I mean, sure, it's my fault, but the thing is, the stop loss that I placed was very bad. So no excuses though, no excuses. My fault, but the stop loss I could have put it way more up and then just be safe. But unfortunately, it's try probably I exited a trade, something like that. I can't even remember. Something like this. Lost the trade. And then I took another one. No idea why. For longs, literally bullshit because I entered somewhere here, maybe. Stop loss here. saw some potential. This was honestly just a dumb trade. Literally, I didn't have to take this one. Took this one basically straight up stop loss, insane. But again, this was like a 101, not really something cool, not big or something. It's okay. It could have been way more because probably this was my first take profit. Then I'll just scale to more levels. Let's see this one, again this one or whatever, right? But the thing is, it went straight down, so not in my favor. This was my trading day yet. And then I took this paper trade because, brother, at some point, after seeing the market going in a certain direction, you just know the trend is down. You can I could tell from here, literally, from this point, I could tell the trend is down. But I was the liquidity sweep, literally. I filled the orders because they stopped me out and then continued the move in my direction. So sure, you can see it was a mistake, but this was also liquidity sweep. It was one liquidity sweep, but it was a fake out. This was a fake out, boys. I got faked out. Then got another sweep on this beach. Everyone basically shorted after this move, probably. Got my sheet, yeah, got my trade stopped out, and then boom, down, down, down. Basically, and I believe it will. Oh, all right, no, not yet. It's not yet at my full take profit, but it would have been just a very nice trade if I just took it a bit later when the market swept this high and then went down, you know. Anyway, so the reason why I took this trade on paper, by the way, because of the trend, it's just literally I wanted to just go with the trend. 500 USD for the risk, no big deal. And because I basically imagine this as a fund, right? I'm basically playing like a game. This is not an eval or something, not a funded, it's just paper money. But I want to trade with this like it's a real account, like it's a real eval. How would I trade with this, right? So I saw a big fair value gap. I'm seeing that I saw that it got disrespect. I see that it got respected, but the thing is, if it were just straight up, maybe the whole the whole trend would just go up again. So just be a trend shift right here. So I placed my stop loss more than the. I mean, I just gave my stop loss some space to be able to fuck around in this place. All right, so I think I just hit take profit now. Yeah, probably not. Anyways, basically, stop loss above fair value gap. As you can see, boys, it tested the fair value gap. This is why I gave it some space because if I put it a stop loss right here in the middle of the fair value gap, like, oh no, I want a tight stop loss, I'll just get stopped out and I will miss on this trade. Now silence everyone because I want to hear this sound. I don't have any water around me. Nice, nice. I'm thirsty and I cannot drink water now. I think I have some. I'll be back in a second, boys. Oh, no one is watching. Alright. Well, I just did. Oh, I had it right here. Okay, so it's kind of rejecting. The thing is, my stop loss isn't on the lows because I know it can get a fake out without even touching the lows and just change the trend without even touching the lows. But yeah, I mean, it's way more expected. Look, the reason why my take profit is here, down to this, a bit close to those lows, because as you can see, oh shit, I'm probably gonna get copyrighted for showing that bottle. Probably not, hopefully. Yeah, so as you guys can see, the reason why I put my take profit here is because I just want to be safe. Because the trend can go this way, can get to this point, maybe, not touch this liquidity because maybe it doesn't want it yet, and then go up again. fuck around the price range. I could be right. It could still go crush this low. But the thing is, the reason why I put it here because it's way more safely because it might go to this point right here, literally below my take profit, which will make me money, and that's it. And then you might want to reverse without taking the high because I've seen this before many times. So if you want to play it safe, bro, just fucking put it here above the low or below the high in some longs. This is why I've done that. Usually I don't put it that far away. So I'll be honest, if I don't put that far away, I probably go and do it like here. All right, almost hitting the low, but also not too close somewhere here on the tick. All right, maybe literally here. But yeah, it's an okay trade. It's not really good, but not really bad. Instantly when I took it, I my fair value gap got validated, which means that that's great. Big potential to go down. I'm cool now. Now the thing is, people will get scared at this point. So people will get very scared when they see a big blue candle here. They'll be like, "Oh shit, I might get stopped out, bro." Dude, here's a liquidity. So there's a fair value gap sitting right here. Maybe you want just to take some orders, then continue the downtrend. Like, don't fucking worry about it too much. Like again, like here, another one. You might go till here in the middle, take the fucking orders, then continue the downtrend. So do not be fucking scared of those things. All right, it touched. Now it might go straight up to my stop loss because it can happen. Basically, invalidate this fair value gap, then go down or go down or fuck it, right? It doesn't matter. The thing is, the risk management has to be good. The trade has to be taken on something, believing that it will go in some direction or another, not gambling. Like, oh my god, exactly like I fucking said. Exactly like I fucking said, bro. It touched this one, this fair value gap. Nice. It took all the orders, maybe not all of them. Maybe still are some one, two right here, you know, completely above. But the move has been made, right? Now the market has to go two ways, either up or down. All right. So this is why I should not overthink this. I took this trade very fast, honestly, very fast. I thought, all right, I see the potential in this trade. It's a paper account, so I don't care. I have to treat it like a real account, so I have to kind of give a reasoning behind this. Boom, fair value gap. Amazing. It might hit and it might go down, or it might go directly down without hitting the fair value gap. The thing is, it was this very big gap in here that I wish it was filled and then went up, went down. And this is exactly what happened. Got filled, then went down. Maybe it would just brutally go down, all right, just down, down without even touching. So this is why I entered a bit early because it could have just leave without me, go to my take profit, but I wasn't in the trade because I didn't enter it here. I waited for other confluence. Now, honestly, if this was a funded, I'll probably risk way less, right? If this was an EVA, probably the same, but I'll just wait more. Maybe even enter right here and with the same thing, same strategy. So, I mean, bro, as you can see, those fair value gaps are getting respected right now. That's good. That's a good sign. That doesn't necessarily mean it will go to or take profit in instantly. Like, wow, fair value gap got respected. That means that I'm 100% gonna win this trade. No, that's a better possibility to go down, sure, but it's not secure. Nothing is secure. If you don't see the trade closing, you're not winning the trade. You're not losing or winning. You're just basically waiting, going to draw down, go. You see some money in here. Wow, I have some money. You don't have it. All right. So calm down. I can actually. So as you can see, I have my YouTube in Romanian. I don't know why. Ask a question. What questions should I ask you guys? What questions should I ask you? Would will I win this trade. Yes. No. I'm a loser. Amazing, bro. My fucking back mouse button from my yes. Yes. No. I'm a loser. By the way. BTW. Okay. Is it on? I can't see it. I have to enter from another account now, probably. I cannot vote for yes or no because I'm basically the host. So you guys, now somebody's watching. Vote. Will I win or lose this trade? Be honest. If you say no, you're a loser because you don't trust me. If you say yes, don't feel obligated to say yes, by the way. You can be a loser and say no. It's okay to be a loser sometimes, so don't worry. So many people are losers nowadays, so another loser in their group won't fucking change anything. Like that, as bro. Literally, everybody's a loser now. Everybody's just fucking around, not doing anything. And I'm not even talking about trading, hustling, or some shit. Literally, oh shit, alright. So, with hopes and dreams, this fair value gap will hold another push. Maybe, with hopes and dreams. I was this close. So, like I said, boys, you can be this close to getting your profit, but the price might react a bad way. Wow, didn't expect this candlestick to be this big. All right, I think I'll get stopped out. Will I feel bad about not taking profits here? No, because that's what a pussy will do. Oh, I'm so scared. I might lose my money. It's a paper account, so it doesn't matter. But still, I want to play very safe and take the profit out. No, that's like some bitch shit. You're a real man, you have to trade and respect your rules. I respect my rules. I put this profit right here because of a reason. I had the reason that I want to put this take profit here. The reason why I put this stop loss here. I might get stopped out, doesn't fucking matter. I put this shit right here because I know that if it crosses this fair value gap, big chance that it will continue to go up. So I just basically don't lose as much money. So as I can see, it's not looking that bad though. I thought I'll just get stopped out, but apparently it's okay. Now, a loser will go out of the trade right now. Oh, 300 down only? It's good because I can just lose 600, so I'm basically losing half of it. No, I enter this trade with some rules. I'm not gonna fucking change the rules mid trade. Alright? This is what losers do. This is why you guys never pass an eval. I did pass an eval, so listen to me, guys. Alright? So, as you guys can see, I'm kind of getting stopped out almost. But still, this is a paper account, so it doesn't matter. It's not so important. I don't really care about it. Nobody answered my poll. Somebody type yes or no. I'm really curious, guys, what you guys think. Will I win this trade or will I lose it? If you say no right now, it's pretty obvious because it's almost touching this. Alright? So it wouldn't take to be a genius to know that that was gonna stop me out. But the thing is, boys, I'm not gonna exit the trade early. I don't care. I'm gonna what? Save $100 from 500. Wow. No, that's some pussy work. I'm literally getting stopped out. I'm not gonna put emojis with. All right, I'm not gonna put emojis with hammers and shit right here banging this like those TikTok live streamers. Hey, look, I'm doing a funny joke. I'm pushing the market down. You fucking nerd. I'm profitable trader. Trade like a fucking man, dude. Yeah, like I could just take one profit here and then risk less, but I don't want to do that because it's a paper account. Who the fuck cares about a paper account, bro? Lost the trade. No worries. I'm good because I believe on the week I am up. I'm not so sure. I think I lost 3 days and I won one, or no, I won 2 days and I lost three. No, two losses and two wins. So with that being said, all right, I know. I think I'm actually negative for the week. Not so sure, but I lose half of it and I won half of the trades. Not really. Can't fucking remember. I have to watch my PNL after this. Very fucking bad trade. Very fucking bad trade. Honestly. Well, in terms of the fact that I lost, it was a bad trade. But in terms of my rules, while I take this trade, it was an okay trade. Honestly, like I said, I would take this trade on an eval or no, on a funded and do these exact same things. Take profit one right here at a 101. This is what I always do, right? 101, take profit. Boom. That's good. Then, because I took profit here, here's the next take profit. Then, stop loss right here. Nice. Now, even if it goes break even, I'm not gonna lose any money. I'm just gonna lose the remaining profit. So if I was $500 up right here, I get to 250 down in basically my profit as my profit, and then even if it goes down again and it stops me out, I'm not losing any money. So I'm basically $250 up, literally. And if it does happen my way, probably with this range, I would be winning. I have no idea. I'd probably be winning 700, 600 something, 700 something. No, actually 600. Actually 600 because this was a full, as I showed you guys right here. This was a full take profit with literally like no take profit one, take profit two. This was the final take profit that didn't hit, but here it was 750 or something, and that basically means that it was 105 risk reward, right? This is like some interesting trading terms that I use. Whatever. Yeah, I'm gonna be out in like 10 minutes. Literally. I'm gonna be out in 10 minutes. Going to the gym, boys. Hitting a chest workout today. Wish me luck. I'm gonna be training for half an hour or something. Dude, guys that train for more than half an hour are basically losing their time. Okay, half an hour maybe is like too little for you because you want to train more. You're too small and you have to train more. Okay, no worries. You can do that. But more than 1 hour is literally useless. More than 1 hour is basically losing your time. If you value your time, don't waste it in the gym more than 1 hour. Waste it in the gym, waste it because it's not really wasting if you're actually investing the time in yourself. You're investing the time that you're in the gym to get in better shape, get stronger. All right? If you're doing more than necessary, that's wasting. All right? There is a difference. Boys, I'll be honest. Sometimes when I trade, my heartbeat is higher than when I'm in the gym. As you guys, I mean, bro, it's fucking crazy sometimes. And that usually happens when I take a trade that is just going really well. So I basically risk a bit more, just a bit more. And when I say a bit more, I basically mean double the trade. So when I say a bit more, means that instead of 500, I'm gonna risk 1,000, a bit more, right? and then I'm gonna check the watch, 100 fucking heartbeat. At some point, like this was a while ago when I was still unprofitable, I take a look at my heartbeat and it was 140 something, 130 and something while trading. Sitting in a fucking chair looking at the screen, 130, 140. That's fucking crazy. I didn't make any photos because who the fuck does that when watching their heartbeats? But you guys just have to believe me. Blindly follow my word, basically. And as you guys know me as a person, my word means something, so I really did that. I'm not just a LARPer, right? I really did had 140 while trading heartbeat, and it's okay though. It's okay because back when I was trading and I was having so much emotions, having so many, how can I say that? Whatever. The thing is, I was very nervous when taking trades because I wasn't sure about the trading market. Anyways, the thing is, I lost a lot of trades, I lost a lot of money, so that made me learn more about basically being stoic in the markets. Now I don't feel anything, bro. I'm like that as honest. I lose a funded account, I don't feel shit. I'm looking at the screen. Okay, could have been a win. This could have been a payout. Okay, I lost. That was the worst case scenario. I lose the fucking trade that maybe was supposed to be a payout. Maybe I just fucking blew my account now. Cool. I mean, I was closed. That was pretty fucked up. But that means that I did something wrong. For example, I overtraded. I didn't put a stop loss, etc., etc. Many, many fucking things that can stop you from getting a payout. So it was my fault. All right, I'm not gonna be mad at this. That's my fucking mindset. Today I just lost 1,000, I believe, in my eval. Very fucking bad. But the risk reward was good though. Risk reward was good. Um, the risk reward was good. The trade that I took, two of them were good. One of them was basically very shit. I basically lost four trades today. Are you fucking kidding me? No, that's crazy. That's fucking crazy. At least I was right about the direction of the market at somehow. Let's just view how I'll just take this trade again if the same day happen somehow. Well, basically, bro, as you can see, this is an interesting way to take things. Maybe not taking it right here on the fair value gap, literally maybe going in like here, probably. This is what I usually enter when I see something like this. Stop loss, of course, right here. Take profit one, literally 101 here. Okay, that will be smacked. Take profit two, maybe here. 10, perfect, right here. So that would be hit. This one, the last take pro. Yeah, this would be probably the last take profit. Boom. So I'll be winning this trade if I was just to wait a bit more and avoiding to lose $1,000. So boys, just simple mistakes as this are just not paying enough attention. The thing is, I was also on my phone, so I have to stop using my phone while trading, bro. That just stops me from getting better results. Right now, I'm just gonna check some things, but the trading for today is done. What's the status? So, all right, boys, I have to say something here. Wait. All right. So yeah. Um, am I proud of my trading day? I was not a fucking read. Yeah. So I was disciplined. I'll just frame it another way because I don't want to get back. Um, I'm proud that I didn't exit the market when I felt like losing money. I was disciplined enough to stay in the trade. It's just a drawdown. That's the thing, boys. Many of you might just exit here. Was that a good thing for now? Yes, it's a very good thing for now. I just basically lose the half of the money that I lost right now. I could have lost only 200. I lost 500, right? So it's good for now. But guess what? Another day, I would just take the same fucking trade. I would exit right here, and the market would just go down. You might take profit. Basically, not respecting my rules. You know what happened then? If I would just get out here, listen, listen. This is way more important than anything else, right? Getting stopped out right here because I don't want to lose more money. All right, I'm out. 200. That's it. That's it for today. And then I see the market going down. In my take profit, fucking smashing every take profit of mine, bro. That's really stressful. That's so stressful. You don't want to go through that. Because, first of all, you're angry because you didn't respect your rules. And you're angry because you could have won way more money, but you just exited the trade because of your emotions. You're basically mad for a lot of things. So that's not gonna make you a profitable trader. What will make you a profitable trader is taking the fucking loss like a man. Sure, bro, bad fucking trade, but I'm not gonna exit here. For what reason? Maybe a thing that I should have done actually, moving my stop loss, is moving like stop loss from this above the fair value gap. I can move it here. For example, that could be a thing. Actually, this is a very good idea. I wasn't paying so much attention, so didn't realize that I could do that. Boom, put the stop loss right here. Now, even if it goes down, even if it goes up, at least we know this is like if it goes past this point, maybe there's a higher chance to go up. So I'm gonna save myself a few bucks if the thing is that the market is gonna go up again. So that's a good way to basically move stop loss. Not oh I feel like I'm gonna lose, so I'm just gonna put my stop loss here. No, that's dumb. That's dumb as fuck. All right. So boys, took some losses today. No worries though, because at least we're here on YouTube trying to learn more. While I do this, actually, this also helps me as well. I'm gonna tell you what. While I basically stream those videos, the fuck, basically stay live. I actually learn myself a lot more. I'm actually analyzing this way more because when I'm trading alone, maybe I'll just speak to myself a bit, but the rest of it is on my mind, basically. Imaginary words, imaginary world. All right. But when I'm here, I'm explaining the way I took this trade, why, how I took the loss, why I entered, blah blah blah. So the thing is, I'm actually improving my skills while you guys can watch me learn. Do not copy trade me because, as you guys can see, you could just lose money here, all right? Because I'm not a financial advisor. Do not copy my trades. If you want to, sure, but that's not on me, brother. That's on you. All right, you have to know that. If you're responsible for your money, do not copy my trades. You want to stay here and learn, educate yourself, get some advices, have a cool guy to talk to. That's amazing. This is why I'm here. If you want to copy trade, that's on you, brother. That's not my shit. All right. So yeah, I mean, it's already. I usually get done everything right now. Any trades, anything that I have to do, just at 5 p.m. Spain time. I just usually do that shit. I'm done now. Delete all the drawings because the next day I'm gonna be looking at those charts, opening them. I want them to be clean. All right. So my strategy didn't quite work today, unfortunately. At least I respected my rules. I should take a note. I should have waited way more, be more patient, wait for more confirmation. For example, I could have made way more money if I just entered here, as an example. So yeah, boys, that was it for today. Thank you very much for being on this live stream. One person viewing, that's me. All right. Thank you myself for being on this live stream. No problem, bro. Anybody that's gonna rewatch the live stream, just if you want to see and learn more about trading, you want to be in a good community, I'm trying to create that for you guys, so just follow me. I'm gonna be creating a community like that. I'm gonna be actually, bro. I should not talk about this because I'm actually planning this behind the screen. I'm having big plans. I don't want to talk about it. I wasn't supposed to say that actually, but whatever. I appreciate you guys watching this live stream. Yeah, that's it.